Okay, so here it is, guys. Working on the K already. With this, we're gonna do a Cadillac converter. Delete. That is what we're doing today on this nice '09 Ninja ZX600 R. Of course, my RR or this one beside it, like this one or that one. Either one without running. I'm just saying. I'm playing this fastback too. It may be faster than one of them. I don't know. It definitely won't beat that white one. That white one's medieval.
Won't beat either of them.
Huh?
Won't beat either of them. Me driving.
Won't be a what?
Won't beat either of them.
Oh yeah, I know. Well, I know. Yeah, we're gonna do this right here. He's gonna take the header off, but first we're taking the plastic off here. So I'll let you watch him since I'm holding the helmet. I actually got a helmet in my hand here. I'll try not to get your crack, though. I'm trying. I'm good. I got the camera phone over here. I'll watch it out for you, though. Nobody wants to see your hair yet. You know what I'm saying? So what he's doing is taking these little bolts out, guys. It's just hooked on this, what would you call that? Fairing, plastic, the plastic that covers motors. I think it's called a fairing. If you're watching me pull it off, there's them lights up there. Plugs. It's bound to have something else in it. Look down in that hole right there. See that bent hole? I bet you got one behind it right there. Huh?
It's a plastic piece. Just here,
I can't hear you. You can take the whole thing off. You take it off down at the bottom, bro, right there in the middle behind that tire. Turn your wheels the other way. Turn your steering wheel the other way. That just unpops. Unsnap. Pull it up on it. You'll see the little things right there. Hang on, guys. We'll be right back. I'm just going to go over here and help him. I don't want to cut it on and off all the time. That sucks. So when I'm trying to edit the videos, I have to.
Or just take the other side. Huh?
Right here.
Oh.
There's something right here. You gotta get this little clipper out right here. That's what I was telling you. Here, if you turn your steering wheel, you can see better. Hang on, I'll get you a light down there. Here, I'm gonna set you out here so you can see. Yeah, I can see that.
Oh,
Hey, you ain't seen your butt. You out. God. Just barely see you. Alright. I'll get this. I do not own music rights. By the way. Now, there, can you see now?
yeah.
Can you see it? See that little clip? See that little like thing? You gotta push it through down the bottom or whatever. Said it snapped. I heard, remember, or something. Get you a screwdriver and try to force it out through the bottom.
Can I just take the other
Yeah,
side?
just drop the other side. There you go. Smart thinking,
That's
buddy.
so much easier.
Yeah,
Get the other side dropped already.
yeah, that's smart thinking, bro. I don't know how you ever come up with that. Yeah, and the best thing to do when you take your boats out is throw them down like that.
Another one in my pocket.
And you just grab them with your finger. You don't need a wrench. So everything on this thing's been loose. Except for the battery. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright. Jeez, bro.
It's in there.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
I won't hold it. You gonna wash those in the washing machine too?
What?
You can wash those in the washing machine like you did that boat. My mom remember found a boat in the laundry.
Yeah.
In your pocket.
Why? Hell, is this one for an hammer?
It might not even be screwed in nothing. What's it behind it? Brush it behind it. Might just be like something like some plastic or something snapped on.
You just gotta hold it.
Yeah, see, I figured. Come on, Bubba, any day now.
Buddy, I'm getting there. You just take this thing out.
I love fucking with you. All of the above. All of the above. Gotta get all of them buzz. There you go now. No, one at the back, I see it.
Yeah, just hold it.
Hold it. And you got two at the back. One at the back, and then one up top back.
This one's stripped.
Fuck that one. I'm talking about them back two back there. Bam, bam. See him? Yeah. See him, bud? Not that one. That must be number 3. Yeah. I see 2 more on the other end. I don't think you really had to take that loose, but go ahead. I'd take it one for it, make it easier anyway. You could actually paint that. You had to get some gloss though, really, really glossy. I don't know if I'd want to do it myself. I probably won't look right. Anybody know how to get those scratches out right there without having to go pay, what was it, $400 for new fairings? That's unpainted, ain't it? Or was some of them 400 was black, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that one either.
That's stripped out, but I don't want to touch that right now.
Huh?
I don't want to touch that with this.
You have to.
No, we get this first.
I'll do that one or something, but yeah, you have to come out there. Because you have to have all that off to get to them haters, huh? Still tight. Even to get down there where we was at the Cadillac. You know what I mean? So you might not have to take the bottom off. That whole piece is dropped, I think. Might just the whole thing come off. You just have to pull it out on one side, you know what I mean? Well, we just still had to take that bottom off, but it's that middle thing now in the middle up here. It's the only thing holding you. You can pull the bottom piece off. Should just pop right off like that, huh? Go ahead and pull that one up top out and we'll take the whole thing off. Right there, see it? Ain't that one on the body? Pretty sure. Yep. Attached to something there. Look here, I point the camera way over there. Not being a very good cameraman, huh? About forgot I was filming. But screen goes black, I forget sometimes. So, we're doing Kiki meow meow. Kiki meow meow. Kiki meow meow. Kiki meow meow meow. We're doing Kiki meow meow meow. Kiki, what you doing, buddy? Kiki meow. Buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Getting some love, some kitty love, yeah. That's my buddy right there. Being too gentle with it.
I don't know how to get there.
And that just
well, just
slides forward. This kind of pops out there, size 4 and pops out. Like I did, but I broke it. See it? It's like a clip right there, bro. Get what I'm saying? It's back here. Pull it out, son. See it? You gotta slide the plastic forward from the other piece, and then it should pop right out there. Or backwards. Maybe it goes backwards. Try the other way.
What the fuck?
Let's pop it out.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
What's holding you up here? Hold up. Right here, check this out. Well, let's see how we can do it. I'm gonna drill it. I'm trying to switch you where you can watch. I guess that would go all the way through. Look. As long as I get to the I'll go all the way through. Go further in water here. Hold up. You can't hear that good, do you? What's this up here? So I have that. Now, actually, I need one down here. Perfect. Through it. That's a good place. That's all it is. I'm just going all the way through it and making like a bunch of holes, and then it'll finally rust. All of it'll bust and come out. And then we rev it up. What? Huh. See those? Do you see those, yeah? Hell yeah, see them? Yeah, I just keep doing that and he'll come out. Slow process, we'll get there. A lot better than taking the pipe off. All right, let's finish it up. Back it over, sit down. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Good too. Find a spot to be on. I even started like I hate to. Oh, look. How you give that back? It'd blow out a bunch right now. Look at it. Have you looked up in it? What the fuck? So yeah, it's just like metal or honey. It's like, I don't know what you call that. It'll eventually fall out and like all of it will come out. Guarantee you started it, which I'm glad the battery in it, because I'd tell you to do it from you. It'd blow all that out. As soon as it gets hot, it will anyway. Well, guys, that's how you do it. Now you know, big drill bit. We'll come back and show you when we're completely done, but I ain't gonna waste film sitting here letting you watch me drill it. We'll come back and show you the finished product when we put the pipe on. Brought the light on down here so that you could see up in there. See that? All cleaned out. Only thing left, some stuff on the sides, which I'm going to take and stick that back in there on my drill right now. And try to clean that up a little bit. To where it's, well, I mean, it really don't need it, honestly, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be back when I get that done. I need to tape that. Okay, so I don't know where we kind of left off at last time, but pretty sure it was down here when we was fixing the Cadillac converter. And we put the grips on here. He's got some other stuff ordered. We got stuff ordered for that one, that's why I can't keep up. But we have cleaned this bad boy out. Now, I know you can't see that yet, but as soon as I hook a light up, you will be able to. So let's just jump right in this and finish this up and get the pipe on. We are doing an opening of the box here of Dirk's D-Rocks friggin' Ninja muffler, which is gonna take like all day to do. You know what I'm saying? Bring with the dollar bill, y'all. About to get there, I swear to God.
I don't know, man. Shit.
It's gonna make it. Eventually, this box will open. Aw, this one. He doesn't run out the time of it. Oh, Lord.
Cut, I couldn't figure out how to open this son of a bitch.
Hold up. Stop.
All right, where is our ninja? Derek's Ninja. Fucking new shorty golf stock. This is the reveal. Let's see what's in there. You ain't going in behind right now. Come on, bro. Let's see the pipe, you know what I'm saying? Today. Nice. Pretty. Turn that around there. I see a baffle coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm like, how do y'all even put them in there?
It looks good.
It is pretty nice, bro. Stat modified.
Yeah.
We can't tell you where to get that at. That's like that special stuff, you know what I'm saying? We got all kinds of stuff coming with your trod rockets that y'all about to see. That's your little pipe that comes out the side there. So now we got the Cadillac converter right out, slap that baby on, slap your slip on, we're in there, bro. Alright, what else you get? Oh, heat tape. Well, you got it. No, one more thing here. That should be maybe clamps and hardware. Yeah, hardware.
Even.
That's what's up. Alright, so where's your pipe? Pull it up there too and show them what we got. How much you pay for that? Plus the $30 when it got here.
98.
98 plus 30 when it got here. Don't forget that part. They got us on that deal. Oh, here I was going to come in. Alright, put it on. Alright, so Derek got a new package in today. Let's see what he has.
I didn't think this like
Now
that.
Derek gives me packages.
I suck. I don't know why.
What are you doing here?
Oh, damn.
Big package, huh? What is in this here box you have?
Chain.
What is that? What is that?
My chain, buddy.
What?
My chain, buddy.
I don't need to change it much.
Huh?
Well, I wonder who's going to change that.
Yeah, me, bud.
Who?
Me, bud.
Are you?
That's what I don't know.
Doing mine too?
No, I got Master Link.
Alright, y'all. So, we're going to attempt to cut this chain off here with this bit I just bought. So, let's hope that cuts it. Pull TD off that thing and that pops right off there like a champ. And it ain't real hard or nothing. You know what I'm saying? So we'll let Derek hold this camera right here. Like so, don't hit none of the buttons and stuff. You just hold it right there, buddy. While I go to work. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. It's pretty together. Good thing we're getting come on loose. I believe. If not, we'll grind her all the way down. Seems like I got pretty good rocks there. I got, what was them? About 6 of them. I got them for like $14.
You want a hammer or anything?
Anyway, that's not very sharp.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I gotta have a sharp one in here. Here, you wanna take camera, man?
Yeah.
Just a tad more off. Look at these. Yeah, I can't get it. You gotta go get a chisel. It won't fit behind there. You can see it's ready to pop off. I guess I could do the other side too, but I was trying just to bend this one side off. They'll usually pop off after you get it going anyway. I gotta do mine like that next. They sent me a Master Link that snaps on it. It's one of the ones that you got a Brad on. He got the snap on it. I'm gonna go buy one snap on it. I might take that bottom off a little bit. Bam! Got it.
Good job, bud.
What do you think I broke it there, Dan?
No.
Oh.
I knew that's supposed to happen.
Oh yeah?
I just seen where it flew so I can pick it up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Might drill that out. Look like something. I had to roll it. Whatever. We'll be back, guys. There you go. That's how you get a chain off. Alright, so we went and got us a reducer for his pipe. And I'm going to get it welded on there. But first, we got to put the hanger on here. And make sure exactly where we're going to get it welded at. I'll see how that's being a little funny looking. I don't know how we're going to change that. But we might just let it be that way. And bend our bracket once we get it in here like so. Like so, I meant to say, sorry. Wasn't holding the camera completely right, but I think that'll work. We'll just have to bend it a little bit or so. Or something, we'll figure it out. So we'll be back when we get that right. Oh guys, well we forgot to tape this as we do it, but this is what we got so far. It's looking pretty good. And we started it up. You want to hear it? Here it goes. Now this is with the bass cloud. You think with the bass That's pretty good. So we got it on there. I don't even know if we're going to have to weld it because that was so much of that pipe stuck down into that. reducer. I don't even think we're going to have to weld it. At least not right now. But I mean, that's pretty much a straight muffler like that without the baffle in it. So, I don't know which way we're going to run it yet. We'll find out according to what D wants. Whatever D wants.
I'm leaving out.
He said out. He said loud. Put up with it. He said we don't care about the fucking neighborhood. Fuck them. We didn't care before. Why would we care now? Right? What? We didn't care about the neighborhood before. Why would we care now? Fuck them. So it's as loud as that and it's over there now. Well, we should have the chain on. We've been ready to put the chain on right now, actually. So I guess we'll do that. Well, I ain't going to tape. What we're going to do is that means that somebody's going to have to hold it. And it's going to take with somebody rolling it while I do it. But we took this cover off here, as you see. Like 4 bolts. And we're going to wrap the chain around that, send it through there. And we'll come back and show you our finished product. Alright. Well, we got her bolted back up. Well, Derek got her bolted back up. Here we do a little walk around that man. Alright, so we're going to take it for its first little ride here.
Sounds good as fuck.
Your front brakes are shit. I pulled them down there and it started